Hi, welcome to my M1 portfolio called the Money Maker. For you guys who are new to my channel, this is a dividend investing portfolio. My goal for this is to deposit at least $100 a week, but I'll probably deposit more every week because the market has been crashing and I just wanted to take advantage of that. And hopefully by the end of this year, I will get to $10,000. Alright, so welcome to my Money Maker. My M1 pie consists of 80% stocks, 10% real estates, and 10% bonds. Now let's go to my weekly update. Let's go to stocks first. For my consumer defensive slice. So for this week, Costco, I gained $1.41, which is up 1.39%. PepsiCo, I gained $2.72, which is up 3.36%. Procter & Gamble, I'm up $3.54, which is 4.43%. Coca-Cola, I'm up $1.73, which is 2.16%. Walmart, I gained $5.42, which is up 8.97%. This is amazing, guys. All of my stocks and my consumer defensive won this week, and it's just amazing because the market has been crashing, staying green, and all of the stocks is just nice. Alright, so for this week, for my consumer defensive slice, I gained $14.82. No earned dividends. My return is up 3.68%. This is my first time doing this weekly update on this new M1 Finance. They updated their platform and it looks kind of confusing right now. I'm not used to this, so bear with me. So my consumer defensive slice is a winner for this week. Let's go to my industrial slice of my pie. Caterpillar, I gained $6.99, which is up 8.68%. 3M, I gained 33 cents, which is up 0.40%. Waste Management, I lost $5.56, which is down 6.80%. Lockheed Martin, I gained 40 cents, which is 0.65%. United Technologies, I lost $8.81 with a whopping loss of 14.03%. Delta Airlines, as you guys know, airline stocks has been down so far. So for this week, I lost $10.33, which is a huge loss, a whopping loss of 23.69%. So for this week, my industrial stocks lost $15.46, which is down 3.76%. I did not earn any dividends this week. Now let's go to my technology stocks. Apple, I lost $1.92, which is down 2.55%. Microsoft, I gained $1.59, which is up 2.81%. Cisco, I gained 87 cents, which is up 1.55%. IBM, I lost 88 cents, which is down 1.57%. Nvidia, I lost $1.97, which is down 3.48%. Intel, I gained $1.25, which is up 3.38%. Qualcomm, I lost 77 cents, down 2.05%. Skyworks, my new stocks and my tech, I lost $3.82, which is a whopping loss of 10.47%. Only winner for this is Microsoft, Intel, and Cisco. So for my technology this week, I lost $5.65, which is down 1.40%. Earned dividends, I gained 52 cents. Market gain, I lost $6.17. Now let's go to my healthcare stocks. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $9.10, which is up 8.94%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, I gained $1.06, which is up 1.40%. AbbVie, I gained 72 cents, which is up 0.97%. United Health Group Incorporation, I lost $1.58, which is 8.78%. This is amazing just because only one stock lost. So for this week, my healthcare gained $9.30. The return is 3.50%. So that's a good win for my healthcare stocks. As you guys know, I will say no dividend for last. So let's go for the consumer cyclical. Disney, as you guys know, Disney has been really losing so far this past few weeks, even months. But for this week, I lost $1.71, which is down 2.49%. Mickey D's, I lost $1.73, which is 2.56%. McDonald's, I wanted this to go down more because I want to buy more shares on my Robinhood account. Home Depot, I lost $3.54, which is down 6.46%. Starbucks, I lost $1.99, which is down 4.81%. General Motors, I lost $6.68, a whopping loss of 16.02%. I know this looks bad per this week, but I've been buying more General Motors from my Robinhood account. For me, this loss doesn't bother me because it's enabling me to buy more shares on my Robinhood account. For this week, my consumer cyclical lost $15.65, which is down 5.71%. Now let's go to my finance. Visa, I lost $3.36, which is down 6.16%. JP Morgan, I lost $3.80, which is down 6.93%. American Express, I lost $9.33, which is a whopping loss of 17.04%. Royal Bank, I lost 60 cents, which is down 1.43%. Bank of America, I lost $3.06, which is down 7.46%. Wells Fargo, I lost $3.77, which is down 13.34%. It looks like the finance stocks are just bad this week. I lost a total of $23.92. My return is down 8.69%. I have a dividend though, which is 83 cents. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Alright, let's go to my energy stocks. ExxonMobil Corporation, I gained $4.50, which is 6.46%. Chevron, I gained $3.33, which is up 9.70%. Magellan, I gained $2.30, which is up 6.55%. Wow, this is amazing. Energy has won this week. For energy, I gained $10.13 for this week, which is up 7.28%. Now let's go to my communication. Verizon, I gained $1.47, which is 3.62%. AT&T, I lost $3.37, which is down 8.18%. My only loser for this week, but this doesn't matter because I want to buy more AT&T. NetEase Incorporated, I gained $2.16, which is up 7.98%. Activision Blizzard, I gained $1.36, which is up 5.11%. For my communication this week, I gained a whopping $1.62, which is a return of 1.20%. It's green. A win is a win. I'm thankful for that. Now let's go to my utilities. WEC Energy Group, I lost $1.48, which is down 4.39%. Nextra, I lost $1.56, which is down 4.65%. Duke Energy, I lost $1.81, which is down 5.37%. Vanguard Utilities, I lost $2.40, which is down 7.09%. This is the biggest loser from my utility stocks. For this week, utilities, I lost $7.25. No earned dividends. The return is down 5.38%. Now that we're done with the dividend-paying stocks from my stock slice of my pie, let's go to my no dividends. Amazon, I gained 13 cents, which is up 0.35%. Netflix, I gained 33 cents, which is 1.31%. T-Mobile, I gained 8 cents, which is 0.32%. I wonder if T-Mobile will do better now that T-Mobile and Sprint has merged this week. Berkshire Hathaway, I lost 18 cents, which is down 0.71%. Alibaba, I lost 19 cents, which is 0.75%. Facebook, I lost 42 cents, which is down 1.65%. Google, I lost 29 cents, which is down 1.16%. Illumina, I lost 60 cents, which is down 2.37%. Google with an L, I lost 40 cents, which is down 1.60%. Tesla, I lost $1.74, which is down 6.71%. Virgin Galactic Holdings, I lost $2.72, which is a whopping loss of 20.94%. This doesn't bother me because I want to buy more Virgin Galactic, and as you guys know, when the market crashes, it's always going to go back up anyway, so I'm going to gain more money. So for my no dividend, I lost $6 this week, which is 2.20%. So for my stocks slice, which compromises 80% of my pie, this week I lost $38.06, which is down 1.40%. My earned dividend for this week is $1.35. The return of 1.40% is not that bad. Now we're done with the stocks. Now let's go to real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. So Vanguard Real Estate ETF, I lost $5.55, which is down 7.93%. Realty Income, I lost $17.53, which is down 22.74%. Public Storage, which is the only winner stock for my real estate pie, I gained 38 cents, which is a whopping gain of 0.72%. Stag, I lost $2.88, which is down 4.99%. Welltower, I lost $15.31, which is 25.16%. I lost $20.81, a whopping loss of 36.38%. The real estate stocks performed really bad this week. Or for my real estate, I lost a whopping $61.70 this week. I got an earned dividends of 66 cents. I earned a 66 cents dividend. My total return is I'm down 16.98%. Now let's go to the last slice of my pie, which is bonds. This contains 10% of my pie. Right now, I only have the Vanguard Total Bond Market. This week, it gained 22 cents, which is up 0.06%. I may add one, but we shall see if there's a need to add one more bond, one or two bonds. But let me know in the comment below if I should add any bonds into the slice of my pie other than this Vanguard Total Bond Market. So like I said, I gained 22 cents this week, which is 0.6%. So for this week, my moneymaker lost $99.54, which is down 2.91%. My earned dividends is $2.78. So that's it for this week, guys. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.